Hello student. So today we have to study about the expressing large number in the standard form under the topic exponent. This is the last topic in exponent. Expressing large number in the standard form. Large number, very large number cannot be. It is very difficult to express very large number like this 1 8 7 6 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. It is when we want to write so large number, it is not. It looks awkward. So we use scientific method to write these numbers. This number is not written. So for writing this number, we use scientific method. That is called its standard form. We do not write so large number, but we write the value of this number. When we express it in the standard form, that is in the little form, but the value of that is equal to this number. So scientists had create a method how to express the large number in standard form. So here we have to study how to express very large number in standard form, because it is very difficult. It is not good. It is very difficulty. We often come across very large number in our daily lives. When we study, we face many large number written in our books, exercise, and many calculation. We face many large numbers. It becomes cumbersome to express such large numbers in their full form. So very large numbers, 5,000 million, trillion, and crore, lakhs. So large number, when we write this and when we write many numbers and again by changing the digit, we want to write so large, we want to write so large number. So it is in full form, it is very difficult. So calculation with the such numbers would also be very difficult. If we want to do the calculation of such number, multiply by 1 7 6 2 4 3 5 2 0 2 5 3 5 0 0 0. When we want to do the multiplication of both numbers, so it is very difficult. So in such case, we use standard form or scientific notation of a number. इस दशा में, इस कंडीशन में इतने लार्ज नंबर लिखने के लिए, मल्टीप्लाई करने के लिए, we use scientific notation or standard form. What is the standard form? A number is said to be written in scientific notation or standard scientific notation or standard form. Standard, where is standard form? Yeah, this is standard form. Yeah, this is standard form. So scientific notation or standard form. How a number is said to be written in scientific notation? How to write the number, large number in standard form? If it is expressed as a into 10 raised power n. Any large number can be written large number k into 10 raised power n. With the help of this formula, we can express the large number in standard form, where k is the terminating decimal. Terminating decimal means the number that can be expressed in rational number that can be expressed in P by Q. The number that can be expressed in P by Q form are the number which can be expressed in rational numbers in the form of P by Q. The number that is rational number, that is called terminating decimal, such that 1 is equal to less than value of k should be, the value of k should be greater than equal to 1. The value of k should be 1 or more than 1. The value of k 1 or value of k. Value of k should be more than 1 or more than 1, but less than 10. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9. So if number is given in odd number, we have to change into decimal. In decimal form, the value of k should be greater than 1 but less than 1. The large number that you want to express in standard form, the large number you have to convert into 1 or less than 10. 1 और 9 तक हमें लेना कि, and when we replace the decimal in left side, we have to, the number of power should be the replacement of decimal to the left side from right side. जितने प्लेस हम राइट साइड से लेफ्ट साइड में लेते हैं उतने प्लेस n होता है. यानी is the number of replace the decimal from right to left. राइट से लेफ्ट तक जितने प्लेस हम ले आते हैं उससे हम 10 के रेज पावर n लिखते. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 3, 2, 4, 6, 7. This is large form. When we write it into decimal, into standard form, then the value of this should be, the value of this is equal to k. What is the value of k? K is, the value of k should be 1 or more than 1 but less than 9. So the value of this will be 3.2467. Here the value of this is, इसकी वैल्यू क्या है 3. 1 से ज्यादा है बट 10 से कम. हो गया ना. अब into raised power 10. अब decimal कितने प्लेस, how many place goes to the left side from right. Decimal is here 1 place, 2 place, 3 place. 3 place means number of place 3. This is the standard form of 3246.6. This is the standard form. The value of this and this both is equal. So this is the standard form to write the large number in standard form. So we use different types of number to write in standard form. Standard form remove the difficulty to write large number. With the help of standard form, we can write large number into smallest form. For example, A is this is a large number. This is large number, and we have to convert into standard form. K into 10 raised power n. The value of k, the value of k, the value of this should be less than 10, but 1 or more than 1. So the value of this convert 2.457. Here, there is no digit except only 0. Here only 0. There is no digit after 0. Then we do not write 0. अगर किसी डिजिट के पास सिर्फ 0 ही 0 हो राइट साइड में, तो 0 को हम लिखते ही. और if any number is written, then we can write to the decimal here. 5 is equal to 5.0. Point is here. So we have to write this. Now value of this is 2.45. This is the more than 1, more than 1 but less than 9. ये 9 less than 10. ये 10 से छोटा. अब into 10. अब number of decimal place that we place from right to left. 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. This is the standard form to write a number. Take an example B. 5, 7, 2, 4, 3. Here we have to convert into the value of this. It will be changed into between 0 and 10. 1 to 9. 5.7243 into 10. 10. Here is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Raised power 7. This is the standard form. You can write this large number in standard form like this. If any number is given like this, zero point 0.002467, you have to write this into standard form. We know that इसकी वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए, वो 1 या 9, 1 से लेके 9 तक होनी चाहिए. बट हियर द वैल्यू इज नाइदर, इट इज लेस देन 1, बट द वैल्यू शुड बी 1 अप टू 9 तक होना चाहिए. तो राइट प्लेस में जा, तो है वी कैन राइट दिस 2.467 raised power 10. The value of this convert into 2. Now इसकी वैल्यू कितनी हो गई, अब 1 से लेकर 9 तक हो गई. अब we see that displacement of decimal to the right side from left side. 1 decimal is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When it goes in right side, then power k into 10 raised power minus n. When displacement decimal decimal goes to right from left. ये राइट से लेफ्ट में जाता है तो ये पॉजिटिव होता है और लेफ्ट से राइट में जाता है तो निगेटिव होता है. When decimal goes from right to left to right, then the value of n should be negative. 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place, 5 place, 6 place. Raised power minus 6. Take an example. Another example. 0.3 you have to convert into standard form. Then you have to write 2.43 into 10 raised power. Here decimal place 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 minus 7. When decimal goes from left to right, power will be negative. If decimal place goes from right to left, power will be positive. So in this way we can write many numbers, large numbers in standard form. So I think that all of you have understood how to express large number in standard form, and you have also changed standard form in general form. For example, 3.24 into 10 raised power 5. This is standard form, and you have to convert it into general form, large form. Then 3 2 4. What is the power of 10? 5. Write 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 place to right. 1 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. After this decimal will go in right hand side up to 5 place. Here what 2, here what decimal 1 2 3 4 5. 3 8.0076. Then you can write 10 power 7. Then 80076. 7 place. Here was this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. You can write 7 place. After there should be 7 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now you can convert this. If power is in negative, 3.24 into 10 raised power minus 4. Here 3 3 2 4. Here minus 4. Decimal will go in left side. 1. Here decimal 1 1 2 3 4. Here what this one? 1 2 3 4. In this way you can write general form from standard form. So I think all of you have understood this. I have explained this in easy way. I think all of you will be able to solve this types of question from your exercise book. This standard form is used in different type of calculation in mathematics and physics and different types of large calculation in mathematics. This is scientific method. Any kind of scientific formula can be written in standard form. This is the importance of standard form. In next classes, in 8th, in 9th and 10th, you have to write every calculation in this form, in standard form. So I think all of you have understood it and will be solved this types of question from your exercise. So it is sufficient for today and thanks for today, and we see in next video with new type of questions for you. Thanks.